Hello, today I'm going to show you how to setting up your appliance. And your appliance is the nice Delonghi Eletta Evo ECAM fully automatic coffee maker. The first time we use the appliance, we rinse it with hot water and remove all accessories which may come into contact with water or milk. The first time we use the machine, the water circuit is empty, and the appliance could be very noisy. The noise becomes less as the circuit fills. And the coffee has been used to factory test the appliance, and it is therefore completely normal for there to be traces of coffee in the mill. The machine is, however, brand new, of course. We connect the appliance to the main socket. Then we can switch it on and we press language. We press and scroll the arrows to our required language. And then we remove the water tank. The water tank is shown on the right side in front of your appliance. We fill now fresh water up to the max MAX line. This is marked on the tank with a nice fresh water. After we fill up or top up the water tank, we are going to put the tank back into the appliance. We check that the hot water spout is inserted on the connection nozzle, okay? And this is important because of the flashing, the first runs or rinse, hot water rinse, we will need that, okay? On the left side, we can see that there is the milk tank, or we are going to use the water spout. In factory setting, there is a water spout, so you can let it. And we place a container which holding a minimum of 100 milliliter underneath, okay? Underneath it. Then we can go to the next step. We confirm the menu button, and the appliance delivers water from the water spout, then goes it off automatically after that. The coffee machine is then ready for normal use. The first time we use the appliance, we need to make 4 up to 5 cappuccinos before it starts to give satisfactory results. To enjoy our coffee even more and improve the performance of this appliance, we should installing a water softener filter. If you have not so hot water at your scene, you does not need it, of course, because, for example, we have soft water here. I does not need this filter system, and the filter system is extra money, of course. But if you have hot water, it's preferred to install this. Of course, we have to insert the beans before the coffee beans on the top side of the appliance before we can make cappuccinos, and then we produce 4 up to 5 cappuccinos. We can drink them, of course, because it's safe. We can drink them, but the full flavor will be not there at this moment. But after 5 cappuccinos, you will have the flavor you prefer or you like on this Delonghi Eletta Evo ECAM fully coffee making machine. Of course, you have to top up the water tank again and the beans, and then you're ready to use. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. So.